Hey guys, I just bought this and I want to test it out. It's for keeping the curls in check, and I never tried it before. My daughter's hair is super curly. I just showered her and I had it in a wrap for about 10-15 minutes and it's still wet. So I'm gonna add a few products and then I'm gonna test it out, and then I'm gonna shower and then test it out. I have like wavy hair, like wavy, yeah, like a wavy type of hair. So, so it opens. Okay, so it looks like this. And it comes with this. Okay, so it comes with this, and then it comes with this thing. And then it also comes with the instructions I mean. So I'm just gonna read it real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna just read it. Alright, so let me turn it on real quick. My hand's a little bit oily because of the oils. Yeah, my daughter's scared. Mommy, it's a little bit for your hair, look, so you can look like a princess. So put on her hair like this. You like it? And I have it on the low. And I'm gonna put it, and I have it on cool. So it has this one, and then it has these, and it has the hot, warm, and cold. And then right here it has the off, low, and high. And then the way you turn it on is kind of weird because it's not really a button, it's more like a sliding type. And I'm gonna attach this one to this. First I have to figure it out though. Or just like literally snap it on, I think. Oh yeah, you do. So you just snap it on like this, and this is like the finger diffuser. So I'm gonna go on with low, and I'm gonna leave it on cool.
No, it's scary.
It's okay, mommy. It's for your hair. It feels good, huh?
Yeah. That's so scary.
It's not scary, honey. A little bit for your hair. Mommy, it's okay. It's a little bit, okay? 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Okay. Wow, your hair's gonna be so beautiful. Okay, ya no. Una más. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, so it's not kid approved. I guess it's the noise. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on myself, but first I need to go shower. So my hair usually looks like this, but a little bit more wavier, especially like if I fix it up, like if I put like the hair products that I put on my daughter. And I think I'm doing it wrong, so I'm probably gonna see how you actually no, I just need to read the instructions, and so yeah, I'm gonna go shower and then I'll test it out myself. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna go with my boyfriend. That's why I'm getting ready. But I just left this in for 10 minutes. And this is how my hair looks like. Before I switch this video out. Okay, so I'm already done. I usually comb my hair in the shower with the shower one for curly hair. And I'm just gonna put hair products. My hair is like this long. So I'm gonna put the hair products, and I use moisturizing the curl activator. I'm gonna use this one, the daily moisturizer, because I have a lot of split ends. And then so I'm just scrunching up. This is usually my routine. I scrunch it up. Now I'm gonna use the comeback curls. This is the Nexi curl revitalizer, but I like to use it when I get out of the shower, just because I have like wavy curly-ish hair, and it gives me more like curl looking ones. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this one. This is hair sheen. It makes your hair shiny. And it smells so good. That's the main reason I use that. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this one. It's hair food vitamin. This one, like, you have to like spread it in your hands and let it melt. And then just put it in your hair. Go with the next side. Okay. Now I have everything in my hair. Now I'm just gonna use this one. My hands are sticky, so what the fuck? Let me see if I can put some on my... Okay. So I'm gonna do the cool like I did on my daughter. And I'm gonna do the, I think the high. My hair is pretty wet, but it's not like dripping or anything, just because I had this on for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna be it's gonna be kind of like a time lapse, because it's kind of noisy. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Even my daughter was scared of it. And I mainly bought it for her just because she has curly hair. So here we go. Okay, it's like almost dry. I'm just gonna add some hairspray. And I seen this hack on Pinterest, so I'm gonna try it. Maybe I should just do it on my hair. The hair's looking so nice now. Super nice. Then I will add some here now. Okay, then now I'm gonna do it again. Just putting the hairspray because I don't want it to look like. Okay, so it's like probably.
My lipstick.
Wow, I love your lipstick. It's like 60% dried.
Mommy,
And I like my hair like this. I like it like super dry. So far, it looks so amazing. Okay. Let's see if I can put it right here. Okay, so my hair looks like this, and it looks so cute. And it took me less than 10 minutes, but it's not fully dry. Like I said, it's like maybe 60% dry. And I actually really love it. I would highly recommend this. The only thing is my daughter's scared of it. Because it's really, it's pretty loud. So I would probably have to find a different one for her. But yeah, I really liked it. And then my daughter's hair looks like this. And I only did it for like a minute. Ven, mommy. Ven. Show him your hair. Súbete. This is her hair. So beautiful. She got one of my lipsticks. She put my lipstick on. That's a no-no. So yeah. Hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so the last picture is how my hair actually looks once it's all fully dry. And I keep using the hair diffuser thing, but I always do it like halfway through. I am gonna try to do like fully dry, just that I don't know if it's true now, but in my mindset I feel like like it's gonna damage my hair more just because it's heat. Even though I use a cool, but I don't know, like I don't really have time like that. But so I wait till it dries like halfway, and that day I was in a rush, so I didn't really get to use the products that I actually use because the ones that I was using they were just like on the quick. I do end up using like higher end products for my hair and for my daughter's hair, especially for my daughter's hair. Um, so yeah, my hair ends up looking really nice. Also, my daughter's hair. So I'm gonna show you guys my picture. Um, it is filtered with the Snapchat, but it's not on my face, okay? So that's why my face looks cute, but my hair is like, that's how it actually looks like. And I always get compliments on my hair, on how long it is and how, wavy and curly it is. So yeah, thanks for watching.